In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a countdown timer in Elementor. To start with the video, first you need to install and activate these plugins. I've already installed and activated essential add-ons for Elementor and magical add-ons for Elementor plugins. But if you need help installing a plugin, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now let's move to the page editor and add a countdown timer to the same. To do so, first let's add a section to the page. I'm going to divide this section into two parts. So I'll simply drag and drop the intersection element here like this. And once that's done, let's now search for a countdown element. I'll simply drag and drop this element here, and you can see the countdown timer has been added here. For another part of the section, you can add a button element. Once done, moving to the countdown element settings, you can select the type of timer you want. You can even set the time and date from here. Coming next, you can show or hide button labels as well. You can even set the alignment. Under the countdown label, you can edit the label name as per your need. Moving next to the Style tab, you can change the number background color. You can also change the number color. Number divider color can also be changed. You can adjust the number height and width as per your requirement. You can explore various other settings as well. You can also configure settings under the Advanced tab. All of these are self-explanatory. Once everything is in place, let's move next to button settings. Here you can select the button type. You can also edit the button text here. Moving next to the link, you can add a button link here. And next is alignment, which you can set accordingly. You can also adjust the size of the button. You can also explore the Style tab and make changes in the design of the button. You can also explore the advanced settings and make relative changes. And that's all about how to add a countdown timer in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.